North American Auto Equipment. We're out here in New Bedford, Massachusetts. We've just installed this Universalift 9 KAC. We cut the garage door track and do some shimming on the floor for the drainage. I don't know if you can see that at home, but drain here, see get some shims under there. And this 11K Universal 11 direct drive for their little bit heavier duty stuff that they're going to lift. And same thing, slope for drainage. Close to the garage door track, we had to take down some lanes. We put our day in today. Today was a challenging day. So we do in Old New England. If you need a lift, give us a shout. We'll get it in for you.